Good morning, students. This is Anjali, Assistant Professor of CAC AIML IARE Hyderabad. Today's our topic is problems on compound events. So, what is meant by compound probability? Actually, compound probability, if we are asked to tell the probability of occurrence of more than one event, so at that time we can use the compound probability. So for that we can use the probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Here both A and B are events and P of means likelihood of the occurrence of event A and P of B means likelihood of the occurrence of an event B. Now P of A and B, it is the probability that both the events A and B will occur at the same time. For P and A, for P of A and B, that means probability that both the events A and B will occur at the same time. But now, you know what the simple and compound probabilities are. Let us proceed to the following examples that will make the whole concept more clear. Now, first example is that in a class, there are 30 girls and 15 boys. 15 out of 30 girls like football and the rest of the them like badminton. Now, 10 of the 15 boys like football and the rest of them like badminton. Now, find the probability that the students selected randomly will be a girl, a boy who like football, and a girl or a boy. So now, let's see. First, we have to find out the probability for the girl. There are total number of girls is 30. That means number of girls in the class is 30 and total number of the students in the class is 45. Now we have to find out the probability that random students selected will be a girl. We have 30 girls and we have to select from the 45 number of the students. So definitely 30 divided by 40 is equal to 2 by 3. Now second condition is that a boy who likes football. The number of boys who like football is 10. They have already mentioned in your problem. 10 students, 10 boys like the football. And total number of students in the class is a 45. So the probability that the student will select randomly boy who likes the football, that is the 10 by 45 and 5 to 5 9, that means 2 by 9. Now example second, John rolls a dice. What is the probability of getting 3 or 6? Now this is the example of compound probability because we are asked to tell the probability of two events. And the formula for computing the compound probability is the below. P of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. This is our formula, and according to this formula, we need to get the probability of each event separately. Now, probability of getting 3 on the dice. Definitely it will be 1 by 6. Here we have 6 sample space. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our sample space. And from 6, there is only one 3. That's why there are 6 numbers and there is only one 3. So here your probability will be 1 by 6. Then probability of getting a 6 on the dice. So it is also 1 by 6. Now since only one dice is rolled, hence the probability of getting 3 and 6 both is the 0. And we have to substitute the values of probability in the compound probability formula and it will give the probability of A or B is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 0. Here probability of A and B is equal to 0. After that we get the 2 by 6 and it is the 1 by 3. Now example 3. Find the probability of selecting a red card or 2 from the deck of 52 cards. Now we have to solve the questions of the probability related to cards. So you should know the how 52 cards in the deck are distributed. And generally in deck of the 52 cards, there are 4 suits. And 2 suits have black cards and 2 suits have red cards. And in each suit, there are 13 cards. And 13 cards include a queen, king and a jack, ace and this number. Now after that, the total number of red cards in a deck are 2 into 26 and the total number of the cards in the deck are 52. Now the probability of choosing a red card from the deck, that is 26. We have a red card 26 by 52. That will be 1 by 2. Now number of cards having 2 in a deck, that is 4. And the total number of cards in the deck is 52. So probability of choosing 2 from a deck, that is 4 by 52. That is 1 by 13. Now number of cards having 2 in a deck, that is 4. And total number of cards in the deck is 52. Again, probability of choosing a 2 from a deck, that is 2 by 52. That will be 1 by 26. Now we will substitute all these values in the compound probability formula. So we will get the probability of selecting a red card or 2 from the deck. Now probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Probability of A we got the 1 by 2. Probability of B we got the 1 by 13 and probability of probability of A and B we got 1 by 26. After solving this, we will get 7 by 13. Now next question is that in a pool there are 20 balls and 40 blocks. 10 out of the 20 balls are red and the rest of them are blue. 15 out of the 45 blocks are green. 10 are the red and the rest of them are blue. Now find the probability that the item picked randomly will be a ball of red color and a blue colored object. Now solution is that there are 3 parts of this problem and we will find out the probability of each event separately. First, a ball. A ball in the number of balls in the pool are 20 and the total number of items in the pool are 60. Now we have to pick the ball that will be 20 by 60. So it is 1 by 3. Then second condition is that a ball of red color. Number of balls of red colors are 10. Total number of items are 60 and the probability that the randomly selected item will be a ball of red color, that is 10 by 60, is equal to 1 by 6. Now next one is a blue colored object. The number of blue balls in the pool are available 10. Number of blue blocks in the pool are 20 and the total number of objects are there 60. Now we have to find out the blue colored items which are available in the pool. So total number of blue colors items are there 30. So 30 by 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Now next example is that Alice rolls a dice on the floor. Now what is the probability that the number will be a multiple of 2? So in a dice there are 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And there are 3 multiples of the 2. That are 2, 4 and 6. These are multiple of the 2. The now number of multiples of 2 on the dice is 3. And total numbers on the dice is 6. So the probability that the number will be multiple of 2 is 2 by 6. It will be 3 by 6. So your probability will be 1 by 2. Now example 6. A store contains 35 light green parakeets, that means 14 females and 21 males, and 44 sky blue parakeets, 28 females and 16 males. Now you randomly choose one of the parakeets. What is the probability that it is a female or sky blue parakeet? Now here we will consider P of F, probability of females, and P of SB, probability sky blue parakeets. Here P of female is 42 by 79. After that, here total number of female we have to find out, that is 35 plus 44, 79. We have to find out the probability. Probability of female is 42. Total number of females are 14 and 28. 14 plus 28, that is 42. To 42 divided by 79. Then after that, probability of sky blue, that is 44 by 79. 44 sky blue parakeets. Then after that, we have to find out the probability of females or sky blue is equal to probability of females plus probability of sky blue parakeets minus probability of female and sky blue parakeets. Now we have to solve this problem, and after solving we will get the 58 divided by 79. Hence the required probability is 58 divided by 79. Now next example is that a card is drawn from well shuffled deck of the 52 cards. Now we have to find out the probability of getting a king or S. Here, let A be the event of getting king and B be the event of getting a S. Probability of A. We have to find out the probability of getting a king. We have 4 kings in the deck of the cards. Total number of cards are 52. Out of 52, 4 are the king. So here we have the probability 4 by 52, that is 1 by 30. Then second one is that the probability of B, that is even getting an S. Again S is also there, 4 available out of the 52 cards. So again the probability will be the same. Now we know that drawing a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, getting a king and getting an S are mutually exclusive. So P or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Probability of A is a 1 by 13 and probability of B is also 1 by 13. After solving, you will get 2 by 13. So required probability is that 2 by 13. Now next question is that a box contains 50 tickets numbered 1 to 50. If a ticket is drawn at random, what is the probability that the number drawn is multiple of 3 or 5? Now let's consider A be the event of getting multiple of 3 and Y be the event of getting multiple of 5. The events of getting multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 28, 24, 27, 30, 36, 33, then 39, 42, 45 and 48. That means these numbers are the multiple of the 3. And here these total number are 16. Now probability of A. So it will be the 16 divided by 50 and after simplify we will get the 8 by 25. Now total number of multiple of 5. There are 10. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So there are 10 numbers which are multiple of the 5. So here probability of B we will get the 1 by 5. Now in both events there are some common outcomes. That is 15, 30 and the 45. So the number of common multiple of both 3 and 5 are 3 and 5 are 15, 30 and 45. And these numbers are 3. So here probability of A and B is equal to 3 by 50. Then here we have to find out probability of A union B. Probability of A union B, that or we can say A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. We got the probability of A value, that is 8 by 25. Probability of B value we got 1 by 5 and probability of A and B we got the 3 by 50. Now after solving we will get 23 by 50. So this is the required probability. Now next question is that let X and Y are be two events such as X, Y 1 by 2, Y such as X is equal to 1 by 3 and X intersection Y or X and Y is 1 by 6. Now we have to show that X and Y are independent and X or Y value is given 2 by 3. Here P of xy is equal to 1 by 2, P of yx is equal to 1 by 3 and P of x and y is equal to 1 by 6. Now there is the formula P of x and y is equal to P of x into P of y given x. Here P of x and y value is 1 by 6. We don't know the P of x value, but P of y given x value we know, that is 1 by 3. So after solving you will get the P of x value, that is 1 by 2. Now you can find out another value P of x and y, again P of y into P of x given y. Now P of y value we got, that is 1 by 3, and after solving P of a and b, P of x and y is equal to P of x into P of y. Now here x and y are independent. Now P of x union y or P of a or y, x or y is equal to P of x plus P of y minus P of x and y. P of x value is 1 by 2, P of y is 1 by 3 and P of x and y is 1 by 6. Now after solving we are getting the 2 by 3. So both results are true. Now next question is that find the compound probability of selecting 5 or black card from the deck. Total number of cards in a deck are 52. and the number of cards in each suit is 13. P of black card, that is probability of black card, is 26 by 52. We have a 26 black card and 26 red card. Now probability of the black card is 26 by 52. That is, we can consider 1 by 2. And the total number of 5s in the deck are 4. So that is 4 by 52. Or we can say 1 by 13. Then now number of 5s in black cards 2. And the probability of black card and 5, that will be 2 by 52. Now this is the mutual exclusive event. Thus the compound probability formula is that probability of black card or 5, that is probability of black card plus probability of 5 minus probability of black card and the 5. 28 divided by 52, that is 7 by 13. So the probability of black card or 5, it is 7 by 13. So this is all about the problems on compound events. These are the references, so you can go through this. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.